there's something called the error of proximity in the English language. Does anybody know what it means? The error of proximity, what it is? Okay. Does anybody know what proximity means? Does anybody? Yeah, you?
Nearness.
Nearness, yes, that's it. Okay. So, yes, nearness. So, there is an error of nearness, so to say, right? Now, for instance, take a sentence. None of us is interested in physics. Now, that's the correct way to say it. But often, what people do is they say, none of us are interested in physics, right? You say they use are instead of is here. Now, are is wrong. None of us are interested in physics is wrong. None of us is interested in physics is right. And why is that so? Why are we using is and not are? Right? So the people who get it wrong, they are making the error of proximity. Now, proximal to what? And what is the error? That is the important thing to understand. Okay? So you see, is the verb here, the correct verb, right? And the incorrect verb that they're using is are, right? Now, and the proximal noun to the verb is us, right?
Yes.
Right? It's a
Yes, sir.
it's plural, right? Us, right? Okay, guys. Time's up for today. There's still some things that I'd like to discuss with you. We'll do it tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we stand for our prayer.
Yes, sir.
Join your hands and close your eyes. School is over.
School is over for today. Turn over and the play. Holy Lord, come to say thank you, Lord, for this lovely day. Amen. Thank you and good afternoon, sir.
Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hello, what is your name? My name is
Today I did not enjoy the class. I have to swim my skill. Come on, let's go.
Yaar, I am not feeling well. You go now. You go.
So, what are you doing here? We supposed to be taking rounds, and you came in here, no? You think it's right? You want to play games, or don't want to play games? No, let's be sure about it. Come on. Want to play games, so you're here now in the toilet, right? In order to play games, what do you have to be? Fit. Are you fit? And this is going every day, huh? So, chalo, I'll get you fit. So come, let's go. 20 rounds round the field. I'll be there, waiting for you. I'll be monitoring you, huh? So don't take it as a joke. Is it okay? Come on, let's go. Okay. Huh? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, now you're getting fit, no? Yeah, so tomorrow we'll go back to our normal rounds, right? Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of mistakes that I saw in your answer scripts, and I want to discuss a few things with you. Now, the rain did not let up. Hey, stop it. Behave. The rain did not let up. That's the right preposition, let up. Some of you know what you wrote? The rain did not let down. Who did the rain not let down? Is rain a human agent? The rain didn't let you down. The rain did not let up. Okay? Similarly, all the brothers live under the same roof. It's under the same roof. You know, some of you have written on the same roof. Who lives on the roof? Monkeys, maybe. Yeah. So all the brothers will live under the same roof. Okay? Anything else that I can think of? Yeah. So there's another sentence. Many Italian words are derived from Latin. Many Italian words are derived from Latin. From is the preposition. Okay? A lot of you got that wrong as well. Okay guys, that's it for the day. Please stand and say a prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. School is over.